Hey YouTube, it's Robert here from Hitch to Horsepower, and today we're going to take the 911 in for a full detail. Well, not a full detail. Get the exterior just washed because it's already in pretty good shape, but do a full interior detail. Yeah, it's definitely not bad for a 20-year-old car. I probably will replace these floor mats at some point. But you can see, just some crevice dirt and things. The dash, that's not going to get fixed in the detail, obviously, but overall it's not too bad. One thing that I definitely want to see if they can look at. Let me see if I can. No, let me just put the top up, and then one thing I'm really hoping they can do something about is this top, this rear window. You can see the glues come undone. That's not what I'm concerned about today, but the plastic is completely fogged over. Eventually I'm going to replace the top with one with a glass rear window, but for now the rest of the top is in extremely good shape. So we're gonna see if we can clean it and then take it probably to a boat place and see. Anyone have any suggestions on getting this fixed? 90% of the time either the top is down or the hard top is on, but still I don't want it looking like that. Well, I'm gonna go drop the car off and we'll see how it looks this afternoon. So the car is back from the detailer. Total Automotive Recon in Laurel, Maryland is where it's at. They have good Groupon deals, by the way. So let's take a look. How she, one of these days I'm gonna pull the buffer out and really give it a good going over. But for right now, it doesn't look half bad. They weren't really able to do much about the rear window. I kind of figured that. The plastic, he said, if they start messing with it too much, it could really do some damage. So we'll have to actually spend some money on that. But overall, for a 20-year-old car, granted it only has 41,000 miles on it, it looks unbelievably good. I know people hate on the 996 because of, but overall I actually don't think it looks that bad, especially when you don't have the amber turn signals. I don't know, and I find these to be much better driving cars than the later 911s, but that's me. But let me show you real quick what I got. I got a box of things. We have new plugs. There's Bubba going to run. We got a box of plugs. We have, I think, a rotor cap. Yep, new rotor cap. You youngins probably don't even know what that is. And we have a new, that should be, yep, so we're doing points and all sorts of fun stuff. Fuel filters, and a new front turn signal for the E30, the one with no doors. So stay tuned for that. We'll get this all on, and we're going to take that for a drive with me wearing the camera on my forehead. But anyway, thank you for watching this little quick video. Please like, subscribe, and bell, blah, 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 all that fun stuff. And maybe we'll take the 911 for a drive in a little bit. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.